Welcome viewers. Again I have come with the new chapter of Supplementary Reader, Class 10, A Triumph of Surgery. This is your chapter 1 in Supplementary Reader Moments, Triumph of Surgery. This chapter has been written by James Herriot. James Herriot is a British surgeon. Let me tell you, James Herriot, whatever the writings he has written, it is only inspired from the life experience. He was a British surgeon. So in his all composition, we will see that he has written on the personal experiences. Once what he had done with the character, Tricky is her character, who is the dog. So he was going to be more fat day by day. His body become like a bloated beard. No, like a sausage. So let's start the chapter. Once again, I'm coming to the heading. The heading means triumph of surgery. So the meaning of the triumph is here victory, and the surgery we will later find out how he treated, how he did the surgery of a pet, that is the dog. Now just see in the British colony, royal families are there. They are domesticating the animals, they are domesticating the pets, they are very fond of loving the animals. Let's start the chapter from here. Once he was going by his own vehicle, so he saw Mrs. Pumphrey. Mrs. Pumphrey was on the walk. Sorry. So he found that Mrs. Pumphrey was having one dog, and that was going to be more sure. What we can say the dog was going to be more fat, and when he saw that dog earlier, that dog was normal, but why the dog was looking like a bear cub? Because of overeating. He was the dog from the view of a doctor, because he was the vet. Okay, so it is the conversation between the two person, James Herriot and Mrs. Pumphrey. Okay, I'm giving him all the sorts of the balanced diet, but his condition is going to be more critical. Why? Because the dog is not able to resist his eating habit, and the condition is here Mrs. Pumphrey is treating like a mother. So because of love and affection, it is the bond of love here. Once again I'm telling because of that she was giving the foods, cakes, Horlicks. No, in afraid of malnutrition. If I will not give him these sorts of the balanced diet, so he will suffer from the malnutrition. This is only, we can say, the extra care. James Herriot already informed her that he stop these all things, but now it is the chance, now it is the term, now it is the time of hospitalization. So Tricky needs hospitalization. He must have to go on outdoor, है ना? मुझे इसको आउटडोर पे ले जाना होगा, इसको हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन की ज़रूरत है. Harriet gave the contact number and all that if you find any more serious condition you may contact me. After 2 or 3 days, the call came from the Mrs. Pumphrey that please doctor come and see here, because the dog is not moving at all. No, the movement of the dog is not up to the mark. Even he has stopped eating also. Khana pina bhi band kar diya hai. The dog has become very lazy, because she was so concerned with her dog. We can't say her dog, we can say pet. Harriet come to see the condition of the dog. He found that the dog was living with the lavish life. No, he was in the color of lavish light. His own kennel was there. The evening balls were different, morning balls were different. No, and the lunch ball was different. It means he was having the very colorful, luxurious life. He was shocked that this type of the lifestyle the dog is having. Even he saw the big mansion also, villa of the Mrs. Pumphrey. He told that it's okay, I'm going to take him my own treatment just after tomorrow. He needs proper care because when he will be at your home, he is not safe because his condition, his health is going to be degraded. So I must have to get him in the hospital. Now it is the term of the treatment. When the dog came at the home, where already several dogs were there, when the dog came at the home of Mr. Harriet, so let's see how he started the treatment, how he started the surgery, how much expenditure were there on the treatment. You will get shocked that James Harriet, doctor not gave any junk food at first. He stopped all those tasty, spicy, oily, no, nutritious foods, and he started giving him the more liquids like glucose, lemon juice, fruits, meditation, morning walk, no, and he gave the environment where he could join the group, of the another dogs. And of course Tricky, after 2 or 3 days, felt very comfortable. He felt very relaxed because of meditation, morning walks, because of jumping, no, because of playing with the other companion. There he was comfortable and going to be recovered very soon. He became the part of the gang. Here one thing is noticeable, that he became the part of the gang and he was feeling more relaxed because at that home of Mrs. Pumphrey, he was not getting all these sorts of the facilities. Now the feedback was again taken by Mrs. Pumphrey that how my dog is. James Harriet was not trying to disclose the secret that he is going to be normal, he is going to be recovered, because he was benefited. Whatever the sorts of the lavish items were sent by Mrs. Pumphrey for the Tricky, doctor itself was consuming. Like junk foods were coming, fruits were coming, wines were coming, cakes were coming, Horlicks were coming. So these all sorts of the eatable items doctor itself was consuming, and he was not giving at all to the Tricky because he wanted to recover anyhow the Tricky. As it is also the fact that when we are on the fasting, so our digestive system is going to be strong. No, it is good for health also. So same thing he was doing with the Tricky, and this is called here surgery. This is called here treatment. Mrs. Pumphrey was a concerned owner. She was trying to contact, but she was not satisfied at all, as he was prescribing different sorts of the problem to Mrs. Pumphrey, because he wanted to get the advantage of the wines, cakes sent by Mrs. Pumphrey. I hope you all are getting the story. So this is called what? Bond of love and affection of a mother. She was treating the Tricky as a mother. No. Here we can see कि finally the dog started recovering. उसका जो हेल्थ कंडीशन था पहले से काफ़ी नॉर्मल हो चुका था, और अब वो अपने ग्रुप्स के साथ, कंपेनियन के साथ प्लेफुल था, एंजॉय कर रहा था, खेल रहा था, दौड़ रहा था. बिकॉज ग्रुप्स के साथ खेलना, योर नर्व सिस्टम विल ऑल्सो गेट अ स्मूथ, इट विल स्टार्ट वर्क, ब्लड सर्कुलेशन स्टार्ट्स, मेडिटेशन वॉज गिवन. So in this way we can say 95% he was well recovered in the shelter of Mr. Harriet. But after a few days, Mr. Harriet thought that I should return the dog to Mrs. Pumphrey because now it is too many days over. So he informed Mrs. Pumphrey that you now may take your dog back. He was again amazed that for Tricky, a very big black metal car came for the dog. In that car, Miss Tricky was not excited to move in at all. Why? Because he was comfortable with his own companions. We can say here the gangs of dogs. Now he was surprised to see this. When Tricky again saw his owner, Mrs. Pumphrey, he jumped into the lap of Mrs. Pumphrey and started showing the affection and love. This is the bond of love. The animal never forgets you. All your efforts. They are of course loyal and faithful. Animals are loyal and faithful. They need the love and your affection. So Mrs. Pumphrey was the very optimistic, very honest and very caring owner of the pet. Doctor advised that now he is okay, now you may take him, and he was watchful also on the dog. Heading is now clear here because at the time of departure, Mrs. Pumphrey told only one statement that it is of course the triumph of surgery. Doctor was also happy. The owner was very much happy. Mrs. Pumphrey was very much happy because she was very concerned about her own dog, and she told thanks. She was thankful to the doctor and again told it is of course the triumph of surgery. Thank you so much.